But Charles, I don't have enough data. Really? You really think you don't have enough data? Over the last 10 years, I have built, managed, scaled, and advised dozens of analytics business units, generating tens of millions of recurring revenue. This video series is a platform for me to share those learnings and to start a conversation with you. My name is Charles Holive, and welcome to Hacking the Analytics Apps Economy. So when you build a data monetization strategy, fair to say that you need data. And your company has more data than they need. Some people still looking for opportunities to increase their data set, and I'm gonna give a couple of tips in this video, but really you have enough data. If you're trying to do internal analytics, which means an application that is gonna be consumed by an internal stakeholder, you're gonna help on pricing, you're gonna help on supply chain, you're gonna help on logistic or sourcing. Well, that data is usually very well managed within your IT department or your ERP system or your sales management system, any of those. So you have a ton of internal data that you can use to do internal improvement. When it comes to your customer, either you're a software company and then you have the data that's being created by your software, or you're a hardware company, and in that case, well, you have the data that you can get from the sensors that are available on your machine. Most machines nowadays have internet connectivity, and so you just get that data and start doing your analytics. They could be around throughput and optimization and zero downtime. And if you're a consulting company, well, check your laptop on your hard drive. Probably have a ton of Excel spreadsheets lying there that's probably could be concentrated into more of a master data set. Now, what's very true is this data set, even though it's managed for your customer, might only apply to a subset of the workflow, which means you might not be able to create an insight with enough context. And that context is really important. The more context, the more valuable the insights you can provide. And so a couple of things can be done. One is you can ask your customer for more data. You say, what if I got the scheduling of your surgeons that would allow me to do better bed management for you? Or you could acquire data. If you're an HR company or HR services company, well, just buy data from salary.com or the average income per zip code that might be relevant as well. Or you could also partner with your initial customer to get more data. So you can say, well, you get 3 months for free, and in exchange, I get a large set of data. And if you did that, buy also some time from them to do data curation, because you want to make sure the data is clean if you're trying to build a model. And last but not least, your competition, which is fun, has potentially a data offering where they're not selling insights, but they're selling data. Well, get a hand on that data and then create insights, which in turn is going to create more value for your customer and be paid on the insights and the domain expertise, not on the data set. So really, when you look at your data landscape, just keep augmenting it. There are many ways. Could be an interaction with customers, could be buying it, could be getting it from your competition, could be improving your software, could be improving your sensors. But it's really hard to think that you don't have enough data. I am yet to meet a company in 2020 that doesn't have enough data to do a good data monetization strategy. So if you really don't think you don't have enough data, well, think again. Thank you for tuning in. I'll see you in the next episode. And yes, this is the usual. If you like it, please comment, please engage in the conversation. You can subscribe right here, and I'll be looking forward to engaging with you in the next video.